Hello everyone. What you see in those pictures is our design project. I am excited to present it briefly to you. So, who are we and what is our design project? We are a group of mechanical engineering students from Kuwait University, and this is our senior project. I am the leader of the group. My name is Ragad Mudaffar. My colleagues are Zainab Butalib, the co-leader, Yusuf Al-Khulaifi, and Abdullah Tarakma. This project was supervised by Dr. Abdullah Al-Ajmi, a faculty member of our mechanical engineering department who thankfully helped us a lot during this project. And of course, a special thanks to our sponsors, Isa Hussein Al Yusufi and Sons Corporation and Kuwait Finance House. So, oops, what's wrong with the title? Hey there. Yeah, please. Cool, thanks. What a good man. So, you see the logo up there. EasyLift is the name of the project. And you see a ladder. And you saw the man with the ladder. So, what's it with the ladders in this project? To answer that, let's jump into the introduction. So, a lot of people use step ladders, and some workers use them more frequently than others. The question is, what are the problems people might face while using a ladder? An essential problem is lifting big and heavy objects along a step ladder. And what are the solutions to eliminate this difficulty? The fastest and easiest solution is to ask someone for help. But what if you had to do it alone? It's going to be a difficult job, and in fact, a dangerous one, since it causes imbalance to the person who's using the ladder. According to the World Health Organization, more than 164,000 emergency room treated injuries and 300 deaths in the US each year caused by falls from ladders. So you see how crucial this problem is. So we decided to do something about it. And we published multiple surveys, then analyzed the results to identify the problem and set the product design specifications. As we discussed earlier, the problem was so clear, and according to the surveys, the goal is to design a lifter that can help lifting heavy and big-sized objects along a step ladder to prevent injuries. So now the goal is to design a lifter. And the following points are the features of the lifter, or the product design specifications. You can pause the video to read them all. For now, I will mention the most important features, which are, first, the lifter runs automatically. Second, maximum lifted weight is 20 kilograms. Third, system consists of a pulley and rollers. And considering all the points, we started to design. We had four main designs. Two of them were designed for a specific ladder, and the other two were designed to fit a wide range of ladders. And with this type of design, people can buy the lifter and attach it to the ladder that they already have. After all, we had limited time and budget, so based on that and other criteria, we compared the designs and ranked them. Then finally, we worked on the best scored design. So what you see now is the final design. You can see a pulley up there, a single pulley, that is connected to the motor and to the lifter. The motor is fixed down there, and the lifter moves up and down on the ladder and is connected to the ladder with the four wheels. And the lifter was made foldable so that it's easy to store. The whole system is easy to store. And the system was a bit heavy, so we had to install wheels to make it easy for transfer. And here you can see a colored version of the lifter. Cool. And before implementing the design into a prototype, we had to perform analytical and numerical analysis. For example, we had to perform stress analysis, welding analysis, power analysis, and all kinds of analysis. And finally, we came up with this cute lifter. And the prototype successfully lifted a 20 kilograms bag, which was according to the PDS the maximum mass to be lifted. After all, we had some recommendations. Actually, a lot of recommendations. Since we had only 3 months and limited budget to implement this idea, we had to compromise a lot of things regarding the design. So I'm going to call these things ways to upgrade the device. So as you can see, the first point says easier way to reach lifted objects. So let's say that I climbed the ladder until here, and I wanted to grab the object from there. It's going to be impossible since the object is going to be on the other side of the ladder. So we wanted to design a lifter or a compartment that can rotate, so the consumer can grab the object from any desired height. Now for the second point, it says design an attachable lifter, a lifter that can fit a wide range of ladders, a lifter that you can buy and install it on your ladder. We also wanted to lift more weight safely and design different compartment shapes. Lastly, we observed that the motor and the battery added unnecessary weight to the whole system. So having a manual lifter could be a better option. So my team and I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the supervisor, Dr. Abdullah Al-Ajmi, and the faculty members in the Mechanical Engineering Department for their guidance and assistance during the semester in completing this project. A special thanks to Dr. Khalid Al-Ghanim and Dr. Abdullah Muhammad. If you have any question, you can contact us through the email of my colleague Yusuf. Thank you for listening.